Hi everyone! In this video, I'm showing you how to make this braided bracelet. This is Manu's channel. Welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. And don't forget to like this video please. For this sample, I used a super fine yarn and a 1.1mm hook. And for this tutorial, I'm using a fine yarn and a 1.5mm hook. I'm starting with a simple stitch, and then I'm making 60 chains. And then adding 3 more chains, and overall we're gonna have 63 chains. Skipping 3 chains, from the 4th chain on, I'm making 1 double crochet in each chain. And that's how we created a cord. We need 4 cords like this. We could either make them with 2 colors or 4 different colors. It's up to you. I'm going with 2 pairs with 2 colors. Now we're gonna attach 2 of these cords together using single crochet stitches. And we're doing this for the other pair as well. Taking the first pair, making 1 chain, turning the work around, 1 single crochet in each stitch, and overall we're gonna have 3 single crochet stitches. Now adding the second pair, and again 1 single crochet in each stitch. And this is how we attached these two pairs together, making one chain, turning the work around, one single crochet in each stitch, and overall we're gonna have 6 single crochet stitches, one chain, turning the work around, and 6 single crochet stitches. We have 3 rows of single crochet stitches. And now we're gonna simply braid these cords like this. And that easy, we're having this beautiful bracelet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and hit subscribe. Have a great day!